Well, just when you thought things can't get any more interesting. Are you ready for this, honey?
Yeah, no problem.
Well, let's just say the trip became a bit more of an adventure. You're taking this well. Okay. Did you understand the timing, though?
Oh, if it's a Tyler.
Say, that's great, dear. Thanks for taking care of everything. I appreciate you.
Okay, thanks, dear. That's.
All right, well, we'll keep practicing. Wow. One of these days she'll get it. One of these days. Dang. I mean, adventure. We're going on an adventure.
The best day ever. I would like to visit New York City. First up, if I was there now, I would like to stay in a skyscraper hotel because I want to get a view of the city. On the second day, I would go to the Times Square. I would go to the Red Stairs. Secondly, I would go to the barbecue steakhouse near my hotel. I would like to go in a helicopter and meet famous people in the city and talk with them. If it would, I would visit to the go-kart place to drive and have fun. The next day, I would like to go shopping and I would go and buy a Mr. B snacks and I would review how it tastes. Finally, I would want to visit a NBA game to watch some basketball game and to see some of my favorite player of the game. And if there is a stage show keeping and I would go to watch. That is my dream vacation. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.
Good morning. Happy. Well, it's Thursday for us, but whatever day it is for you, welcome. You made it. We're going to start off today with a little bit of a guessing game. You ready for a guessing game? All right. What time do you think the weed whackers start around here? Sometimes, not all the times. Some mornings in Jamaica, you get the soothing sounds of the birds chirping, the breeze blowing, the occasional dog bark, the roosters crowing. And some mornings you get the whacker. Got to keep the place looking up to snuff, if you know what I mean. But yeah, what time do you think whackers start up? Ready? Doesn't start with an 8. Doesn't start with a 7. It doesn't even start with a 6. 5:45 on the dot. Up with the sun or the whacker. Hey. Well, the boys are keeping me on my toes.
What?
Sonia says morning. Honey, we've been doing this for like a minute, a hot minute, as Connie would say. I said we've been doing this for like a hot minute, as those Minnesotans would say, or Wisconsians. And Sonia still gets surprised, like, who are you talking to? There's nobody else here. Which is amusing because for someone who likes to talk to themselves sometimes, at least I'm kind of talking to somebody.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking to the guys. The home away from home. Yeah, I'm telling them that we have 4 front runners. Mr. Andre, Mr. Mario, Dave, and Junior are taking this competition by storm. And we're negotiating some terms when it comes to end of the year rewards for those that can show up day in and day out and make sure they get the job done. And I think we've come to a solid conclusion on what that will be with regards to things that they would like to have and that they know is going to take a lot of effort to earn. The treadmill's still been a hit. Everybody's getting their mile in. Good morning. Everybody's getting their pages written. Dave's writing's, I don't want to say this the wrong way, but better than I remember it being. So that's good to see. Today we're working on transition words, Dave. Yay! You know those, right? Didn't you get up at 5:45 with the whacker? No? Oh, just me? Yeah, some of us are recovering what I like to call the Dave special. You go to a stadium event outdoor, and Dave's not feeling 100, and he sits down right next to you, and you're like, oh, teenage bonding moment, but then you realize you're downwind, and he's producing what colds produce. It just blows it right into you. That's all right. The summer sickness, we're on the other side. We're going to move on and get through it. Sonia's almost done with hers too, hopefully. But I know it's only been 3 days. I am keeping myself realistically in gear. But yes, Dave, Junior, Andre, and Mario are 3 for 3. They're 4 for 4. 4 points each day, each of the 3 days. Junior's writing. Junior, we got some work to do, bro.
What? Is it T or
I just have some work to do. Like, today I'm going to talk about my room.
Someone forget again.
Right, but we do know, like, the first letter in a sentence should have a capital.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, little things. Today we're going to work on transition words, guys. First, then, next, after that, second, third, later. Today's writing prompt, wait
Yeah,
for it.
accent. Why am I not with 4 stars?
Why don't you have your 4 stars? First of all, they're
Done
stickers.
today.
They're stickers, not stars. Yes. And, wow. It's amazing how urgent they expect to get that sticker when it takes them all day to get their work done. But we've been working on subtraction with regrouping, 6 digits. Andre's got 2 digits down. And these stories, these are interesting stories. Like, these are not the Disney versions. Like, Andre and I are reading Adventures of Pinocchio. Pinocchio's kind of a putz. I'm just saying.
Is a pot just like Andrew?
May I read Neverland?
Junior's reading Peter Pan.
Neverland.
Well, Neverland is where they go, yes. But, all in all, the adventure continues. Oh. Where's
We can't spell it. Is it T-O-W-N for town? T-O-W.
TOWN town, yes. Mario's reading Treasure Island. Hopefully we'll get some more of that today. But, yeah. So far, so good. Right?
I got the sunshine reference goes.
I bet you do.
Eh?
How are we doing?
Four. When we see Jamaica, eh? Every see that see to them, only feel that see,
Okay. Which one do you want? Are you on the last one?
Second to last.
Okay.
But.
You bring down to 0?
Yep.
Okay, so how many times is 6 going to 0?
0.
Fun.
5 into 20 go. 4 times. 5, 4, 20. 5, 5, 25.
How much times is 5 going to 5, dude?
1 time. Done.
Done. Cool. Time for the good stuff. Alice in Wonderland. Where's she at right now? Where's she at? No.
In a she pool of tears.
She's in her own pool of tears. Is she big or small?
Small.
How'd she get small?
She drink one bottle of something.
A bottle of something. All right. I can't wait to hear about it. Good luck. I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye. Alice in Wonderland, man. Sometimes I wonder. Okay. Still well wet. Cool. So, Beans, we ran out of space on the veranda. We put one of the light sheets in the sun, who, shockingly enough, is appearing to be furthest along. Also well wet. All right, we'll leave you guys alone for a while. All right. You skipped a couple.
You did?
Why don't you walk me through that first one?
This?
Yeah, what do you do?
Okay. 6. Oh!
Okay.
6, 3. You put 3 also put 18 down here. If you buy it from yourself, if you want. Put 2 yourself. Put 0.
Okay.
And then you will get back 6. It's 4. 24. And then we're done.
Cool. Next time I'll have to be harder, huh? Right, exciting prompt today. Exciting. Dave's already got the title going. It is The best day ever. Next time with capital letters. But yes, their goal is to use a bunch of transition words sequentially, chronologically, any other adverbs that you want to throw in there to describe what would their perfect day look like. Hoi! Man, you could. I got a shiny hue to me today, man. I'm telling you, last night was the sweats and the chills of the summer sickness. It was great. And Junior's going to get his feet off the couch. Oh, well, we're getting over it. We're getting over it. We got things to do, people to see, places to go. Are we looking up words, Junior? Are we looking up words, or are we just playing on our phone, pretending to read? Okay, I hope so. Mm-hmm.
What is H? S-I-T? No, S?
Hesitate.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
S-E-S-I-T.
A-T-E. Hesitate. Like, you better hesitate to put your feet on the couch again. Junior, you're going to fix the blanket when you're done. Uh-huh. Captain Hook, man.
Cap was oak. Cap was oak. Said Peter with a look of art on his face. Michael began to cry, and even John should speak include only for their known oak. What is R-E-P-U-T-A?
Reputation.
Reputation. E is the W-O-R-S-T. Worst of them all.
Well, just when you thought things can't get any more interesting. Are you ready for this? I'm glad you're sitting down. So we have a pretty big trip planned Saturday. All right, I'm going to just lay it out for you, and you just take it all in, okay? Here we go. Honey?
Yeah, no problem.
Well, let's just say the trip became a bit more of an adventure.
Okay.
So there I was, filling out customs and immigration stuff online for DR, right? And I just went back and refreshed the page for our trip. And the flight to Santo Domingo
Cancel.
is canceled. So guess what?
We're not going nowhere?
Oh, no. We're going. We're going, but we are now being redirected to Punta Cana, which is the other major airport in Santo Domingo.
So then cancel the flight.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Operational maintenance or something, the guy said. I called and asked. But, so here's where it gets more fun. You ready for this? So, no, our flight leaves at like 8 p.m. still. Similar time. But, when we get to Punta Cana, there's a bus.
So the bus take us to where we want to go.
The bus will take us to Santo Domingo. So the problem is, well, there's not a problem, but the adventure is, we get to Punta Cana, we have a 3-hour layover before the bus leaves. The bus is a 2-hour bus ride to Santo Domingo Airport. So we will arrive at Santo Domingo Airport at 4 a.m. Sunday rather than like midnight like we were supposed to. Okay, well, so the short version is we leave still 8 o'clock p.m. We fly to Punta Cana. We chill there for 3 hours. We get on a bus. We chill on that for 2 hours. And we get to Santo Domingo Airport.
So we got to
4
go
a.m.
to the airport still? Why?
Because they have a responsibility to get us to where we were supposed to be originally. It's the Aerojet, Autojet. It's their operations that gets us to the airport. Yeah. So now I got to call the transportation guy and let him know that we're going to be there at 4 a.m. instead of midnight, supposedly. So an adventure. We'll get to see more DR.
Okay. Punta Cana Airport.
You're taking this well. Okay. Did you understand the timing, though?
Oh, if it's a Tyler.
You say, that's great, dear. Thanks for taking care of everything. I appreciate you.
Okay, thanks, dear. That's thanks.
All right, well, we'll keep practicing. Wow. One of these days she'll get it. One of these days. Dang. I mean, adventure. We're going on an adventure. Dave's thrilled. Any questions? You understand everything?
We were supposed to have a point.
The Aerojet transfer bus.
Why that?
Aerojet is the company. Eh? No. It's a sit-down bus. But we just charge, basically, that buses us from, can you take that out of your mouth for the 20 millionth time? It's a bus that transfers us from the Punta Cana airport to the airport we were supposed to go to. Okay. Great. Great. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you're not coming with. Well, after some uncertainty, the adventures are going to continue. We're going to run to PriceSmart down to Kingston. A Kingston PriceSmart run, fast and quick edition to help with a cake sale, a bake sale, cake sale. Mars's mom is putting on. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Why not? Continue the PriceSmart adventure, fast and quick. Hopefully. All right, we got Andre, we got Junior, we got Dave, we got Sonia. Junior's gonna put a seatbelt on. Next stop, PriceSmart. They're excited. Okay, Sonia's got one job. Remember that job? What's the job? What's your one job? Yeah, put your slippers on. That's your job. But, Andre, what's your one job? Free samples, bro.
No one's about me.
All right, here we go. Going down. Going down. Going down. Ooh. Yeah. I remember. Yeah, you drop. Don't do it, dear. Don't do it. No, Junior. No. No. What? I don't think they have kid ones, dude. I know. Pack. Mm-hmm. You guys don't even know. Hey, put it down. Junior, put it down. All right. This is in NutriShake. What do you think?
Yes, I smell. Yes, good.
Uh-huh. I was gonna say it tastes like chocolate because it's chocolate. Yeah.
Yeah, be milk.
I don't know if it's dairy or not. Do you think so?
That?
It's a NutriShake.
Uh,
Sony says no.
probably right.
Shout out to our subscribers.
Please find me that one.
I always enjoy meeting them at the good old PriceSmart. That's spaghetti sauce, dude. That's not ketchup. That's spaghetti sauce. Oh, you're gonna have to be back later. What?
Oi.
What? What?
Jumping chair.
Oh. Yeah, 75,000, bro.
Where's the filling part?
75. Thank you. Alright, how's this stand? How many out of 10? Alright, we'll take it. That's spicy, man. That's for me. It's pizza sauce. I caved. It's solid metal though. I think it's gonna be worth it. We need it. It's not my fault. It's metal.
Oh, what is?
It's-
Plastic?
Yes, they have one standing up right over there. Go look.
Where I put this?
In the closets.
Oh, Lord, boys, women, not open. I say I will not care.
Come. Shoe shine. All right, jump. Andre, come. Boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sonia, you bought paper towels, huh? You bought paper towels?
No.
Yeah, me buy paper towels, but then I run that back.
I know, right?
You
I
know
don't
me?
feel that.
What to do then?
Hi, Jada. That did not go as planned. Yeah. Jada, Mom will call you back.
No, don't.
Anyway. All right. Pizza. Mars, pizza.
Yes, please.
Nana's going for paper towels. Know what that means? What does that mean?
Eat.
That sounds great.
And get pizza.
All right, no, all right. Your mouth, your hands. Got it. Careful, careful. You know what, Raquel? I'm gonna hand you a pizza. You're on pizza duty. You get a box of pizza and a roll of paper towels. That's how we do it, Mars. All right, we're in. Jada's there. We did it.
Yeah, that's still there.
There we go. Hi. Well, that was fun. Record timing. There and back again. Jamaica's tale. Except we're not done yet. No, We're not done. We gotta go get water. The kids are gonna be tasked with a challenge today to build their own closet keepers. But that was fun. All weather, man. We had sunshine, rain, clouds, breeze, behaving kids, not so greatly behaving kids. Yeah, that one too. Now we're gonna get some water, and Andre's got work to do.
Who got the bread and the pin?
Oh boy, we're almost. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Dave, there comes a time in every man's life he has to assemble his own closet organizer. You hear? I know. Right now it's a box. But soon, I don't know. I don't know what it'll be, but I think you can do it, Dave. You think you can do it? All by yourself? Some assembly required. I'm sure there's instructions. All right, we're gonna come along with. We're gonna boldly go where few parents have gone before. A teenager's room, to watch them and cheer them on as they assemble the Neat Freak heavy-duty closet organizer. Good jobs. Some inspirational pounding from next door. No pounding necessary. Careful. Okay. Oh, okay. They got letters on them, Dave. Okay, Dave. So if they're different letters, you probably don't want to set them on top of each other. Yes. Good, Dave. That's the letter B. What else we got? Oh. C. Oh. Okay. I see instructions. We're gonna be okay. Oh, I forgot, Dave. What time is it? Oh man, of course it's time-lapse time, Dave. kind of found my new favorite go-to. Like, especially when you're not feeling hungry, I should get some steps in because I've been a little sedentary for the last couple days, recuperating from life. This 24-inch screen's got Netflix on it. You hook that up. You just throw the treadmill on a solid 3 or so, and you can watch the newest Netflix America documentary while you're walking. Cool. And enjoy the view too.
George Washington was born in Virginia in 1730.
We're gonna be all right. Yes, Junior, I'm watching Netflix. I'm actually no, hold on. I'm exercising and watching Netflix. No, it's like an hour. Sorry, but that's the idea. It's calling me out, man. No, I'm gonna walk like a mile or two.
Guide in the world.
Yeah, you got your room ready?
There's no bigger single event in George Washington's life.
In case you don't know how far you've gone, it's even got picture-in-picture. Same screen.
The young Washington.
Now you can see how you're doing. And watch the show. Same time.
Fit that whole gentry ideal.
Cool.
You know,
All right. Just like that. Mile's done. Cool. Whew. And I learned a ton about George Washington. The early years. Interesting. Might have to do that again sometime. Cool. You're running out of time, bro.
What?
You know what? That sun is setting. You got a lot to do. I don't think chewing plastic bottles is on the agenda.
That's a corn here. I'm ready.
Oh, you want to start with an apple?
Yep.
All right, you ready?
The fowls.
I already did. See? You're late. They started eating without you, dude.
The chicken is plastic.
I know. No, yeah, that's, you see?
Oh.
We replace the plastic bottle, and we go up and get an apple. Ready? Whoosah!
What is that?
Can you reach it? No. Whoop. We're going higher. Hold. Okay. Nice.
I gave you the root.
Yeah, I walked my mile already, bro.
When?
I just finished. That's why I
How
came.
many?
Just one. Just one. Just got to keep the legs going.
That
What?
means we will do this one?
You're only doing 1 mile too. If you ever get going, dude, you got a lot to do today, and Portugal plays soon. So,
There's the apple.
wow. How do you like them apples? That's okay.
Then
Anyway.
I'm gonna take this one like last time when I had it. And so I had my apple, right?
Uh-huh.
I hold it like this.
Right.
So a chicken came.
Uh-huh.
The chicken's like, ooh, he's giving me his apple.
And just like this one.
The chicken picked my apple. Oh, nope. Nope.
Hi, Andre, chill.
Nope.
Andre, this is my friend. Hi. This is Mama. Come here. Come here. I know. Yes, this is baby Mama. Baby Mama, dude. Chill. It's my chill baby Mama chicken. Yeah, we let her out, and she didn't want to go back. She's like, I can't handle teenage chicks, right? Oh, now you're gonna stop talking? We're talking to chickens, dude. We're talking to chickens. It's getting bad.
Oh.
How? Well, you know what's great about chickens? They listen so well. You could tell them your life story, and they would just sit here and be like, huh, 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 huh. See? And the rooster.
It is, oh, I didn't know.
Right? See, we're such good listeners.
Stand up.
Anyway, she'd probably love the top of that apple, though. So let's find out. There you go. See? Everybody wins. Okay, I actually came here for eggs.
I listen better than a chicken.
What can listen better than a chicken?
A money queen.
A mannequin? Yeah, but they don't. See? She's laughing at the story. That's the funniest joke ever, Andre. Your joke about mannequins. Did you hear the chicken? It was just like... Exactly. We gotta go. We got work to do. But before that, I will say, unique this time around, the apple trees bearing sections in not all at one time. So it's really nice to get to where in the past it's just been bunch of apples and then no apples. Now we've had apples on one side. Now they're starting to ripen over here and blossoms are over there. Chick is still laughing. See? They think your story's hilarious. Okay, good talk. Oi. Here we go. That'll do. Come on, Andre. Andre, up the ladder. Let's go.
There's some apples.
Andre, up the ladder. Come on. Fast and quick.
Ah,
Fast and quick.
don't mess with me. I see you.
Okay.
Ah, so,
Wow.
okay.
Andre, the eggs are getting cold. Let's go.
Time for me. Kisa. Mama.
Wow.
Manja.
Watch your head.
Shut I knew you were getting. I'm too sharp. Ah!
Andre, let's go. Here we go.
This is my gun. Yeah, last time I saw the pink one over here, and I think it will take you up and say,
Wait.
yep, this is the best day ever. I'm gonna give Tyler an egg that I picked by myself. And I'm like, wait a minute, this is too tough to be an egg.
Oh, but you want to hear the funny part of that story?
What?
Today, you're going to write about the best day ever. So maybe this is the best day ever.
God.
Oh, you need that? All right. We're going to, yeah. Oh, boy.
Oh my Lord.
You're doing great. We got to go. Let's go.
No, I'm not doing great.
You're doing better than
We
great.
got this. We got this.
That's right.
We're gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
You know you're getting a little humbled when you get to the point where the kids are repeating your sayings, but you're hearing it out of their voice. Yeah, it's getting there. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Did you make
Am
it?
I funny?
You're hilarious. Oh, you know what's hilarious about that is Junior's word from yesterday that he didn't know was the word hilarious.
Bah.
All right, Dave. All right, Dave.
I can do deal.
Is he missing one thing?
Yeah.
Hold on. Careful. Careful.
Gonna let me see.
Oh, I don't think that's where those go, dude.
Wait.
I think they go on the shoe rack.
Wait, should I be?
The rack for shoes.
Wait.
Generation. They're closing it.
Where's the shoe rack?
Yes, sir.
Why would the shoes be so high? Where do shoes go? Ah, there we go. Hold on. I gotta back this up. Look at that. Okay. Dave? Nice. Good job, man. Now you're gonna help Junior assemble his, right?
Yes, sir.
You got this, Dave. Don't let him see fear, okay? Hang on tight. Okay, bye. Oh, boy. Done?
Yeah.
All right, good job.
Three
Equal groups. All right, so you have 9.
Yeah.
So let's start putting 1 in each group. We got to get to 9.
Put 9 in a group. Yeah.
No, we got to put 1 in each group.
1.
In each group.
I'll put 1.
Yeah, 1 in each group. There's 3 groups. Okay, have we got to 9 yet? Have we gotten to 9 yet?
No.
Okay, put another one in each group. Have we got to 9 yet?
No.
Put another one in each group. Okay, how many do we have?
9.
9. Now, what's the
Look,
sentence say?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Right, so what's the sentence say?
There are
Right here. We're doing this side first, and then we work on that side. There are how many?
There are dogs in each group. 3.
3. Uh-huh.
Let's spell 3.
Just write the number 3. All right, and what's the division sentence?
Division 9 divided by 3
Equals?
equals
If you take 9, you divide it into 3 equal groups. How many is in each group?
3.
3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. All right. Okay.
So guys, we are doing this one by myself.
Okay.
Divide 12 into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay.
That's 12. There are 3 in each group. Divide sentence. 12 divided by 4 equals 12. No. 3. I did it by myself. It's easy.
Well, Andre's reading Pinocchio, and they talk about a cricket in the story. Remember the cricket's name? I don't remember the cricket's name. Creepily enough, Andre, there's a cricket in the house. All right, I'm ready.
Your video?
Yeah. Crick, 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 crick. Andre, yeah. Okay. Oh, maybe he's looking for Pinocchio, dude. Okay, well, it's just a cricket, guys.
I know cricket.
A cricketette, of course.
I know cricket.
You don't know what a cricket is?
It's not cricket.
What is a cricket?
Cricket make noise.
What is that?
It's not cricket.
What is
this
it?
This is raining all day long.
It's a cricket.
Jump is scary.
That's not a jumpy grasshopper.
It's a jump is scary.
Hold on, let me ask AI. Wrong again, Mario. Wrong again. It's a cricket. Supposedly only the male ones actually make the noise. It's a cricket. Maybe it's not a male one. But we'll put them outside, Andre. Wow. All the way outside. Oh boy. All right, 8:54. Andre got the reading done. Pinocchio. Pinocchio's feet got burned, but he made it home and Geppetto's out of jail, so stay tuned for that one. Anyway, interesting weekend coming up. Next time we talk, we will be headed to the DR with 5 kids, including Josh and Mars. See you then.
Washi care,